Good air?
Where's your glasses?
We are treasure hunters, and we're looking for shells. 오케이. 그러면 이거는 지금 미드로 막 돌을.
Oh, next time we'll come.
Maybe one.
Yes.
Sheep.
Yes.
Antlers.
Has sticks, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, not feed you.
That's an ostrich.
Whoa.
Oh, 타조.
Mom, nip.
What is it?
Oh. Donkey?
Yeah, donkey. No, it doesn't say donkey. It was Pokemon. No, not the Pokemon. What is it? He does not want to be near the animals right now.
Whoa.
Nobody is a raccoon. Where is a raccoon? I'm just raccoon. Nobody and
Oh,
donkey.
somebody here's a home.
Oh, that's Timon.
Oh,
You can feed them? You might lose a finger.
Yeah. Don't put your arm like.
건데 우리가 자 아이들은 소리를 마음껏 질러도 되고 동심의 세계로 한번 들어가 볼게요.
just
그렇죠?
go, yeah.
대답이 없는 관계로 출발 안 합니다.
아.
자, 제가 하나 둘셋 하면 여러분 진짜 동심의 세계로 돌아서
Okay, we all
출발하고 크게 한번 외쳐볼게요.
출발.
한번 해볼까요? 하나 둘
출발.
셋.
출발.
이렇게 소리가
I'm putting in my purse.
동심의 세계로 돌아온다 그랬죠. 제가
These are the black pigs.
놀다가도 막 소리를 질러요. 우리 돼지 몇 단다는 소리.
자, 이거 보세요. 자, 여기 꼬챙이가 있어요. 당겨 보세요. 자, 이것도 재밌어.
하나에 줘봐봐.
이거 맛있게 먹는 소리를 들을 수가 있어.
아니 그렇게 하면 안 돼.
잘 먹는다. 이건? wanna do the little.
겨울에는 여기 둘이 노랗게 아주 이쁘게.
Yeah, after your train ride.
Pretty good.
Just.
So this is made with the syrup from the green oranges.
Good. Kind of tastes like lemony.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Girl's having the time of her life.
how do you feed them so
Oh, that is so scary.
scary? So scary.
It's tasting the air to taste to smell it.
Is it?
Yeah.
What it does? Yo, this thing's free. So scary. I'm gonna throw it at it. Yo, bro, this thing's freaky, dude.
What the heck? Wow. Oh, chill me. Like, why are you going for the bucket? Look, she's so much hair in her hair.
So you go to Appa, okay? Let's go feed the ostrich. Here. He just, look at him. He's just like opening his mouth. He's like so Yo.
Bring it closer, dude. It's okay.
I can't feed them because I'm just very freaked out.
That's okay. Here. Oh, he really goes for it. Wow. Ooh.
Maybe for the big one.
Okay.
Put it in the tray. You need the bowl.
감사합니다.
Okay.
Jacob, he's giving you the orange boba. Just put on the black part. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, just leave it and then he'll grab it. It's so cute. They're not going to
Okay.
hurt you. Ah, so cute.
Good job, Jake.
I